Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Homemade Beauty where we share some amazing home remedies for your hair and skin concerns using ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. And one thing that's the most easily available in Indian kitchens is turmeric. Today I'll be sharing the beauty benefits this wonder ingredient has. Turmeric has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help in destroying acne-causing bacteria and removes excess oil from the skin. Turmeric is a great exfoliant that helps get rid of blackheads and dead skin cells and improves the overall texture of the skin, leaving it soft and moisturized. Due to its antibacterial and antiseptic benefits, turmeric helps mattify oily skin and over a period of time improves the quality of your skin altogether. Hope you guys like this video. Tune in next week for another episode of Homemade Beauty. Also, while you're at it, check out the POPxo shop because we have some amazing things out there. We have fanny packs, backpacks, pouches and a lot more. So click on the link in the description box to go check that out. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.